Zimbabwe's uniforms must not serve looters. The 19th of August 2025, compiled by Karina Mujati. When I say Mazezuru Machupeti are being used by thieves, I am pointing at a dangerous minority cartel called Veen. They parade individuals as pawns, while the majority remain silent, spineless, and used. This truth must be repeated until people wake up to their own strength. Look around. Wicknell Chivheo from Chikamba district is presented as the face of grand looting. Mnangagwa Japreza lends his voice to endorse it, dragging Zezuru identity into the mud. And now an Air Force officer, Air Vice Marshal Chingono, openly praises KUTYA, calling him comrade. This is not patriotism, it is betrayal. The Air Force uniform represents dignity, service, and sacrifice, not servitude to looters. Yet Chingono parades in it while glorifying stolen wealth, praising Arundel Clinic, a property looted from Carrick, as if it was genuine progress. Why does Tagwari insist on treating men in uniform? It is not charity, it is control, a calculated move to keep soldiers weak, indebted, and obedient. By calling him comrade, officers legitimize a thief and weaken the very institutions meant to protect Zimbabweans. It must be criminal for any man or woman in uniform to publicly praise looters. The nation cannot allow the symbols of service, our uniforms, to be hijacked as tools of propaganda. While hospitals collapse, while citizens die neglected, leaders in uniform are bowing before the very architects of suffering. Air Vice Marshal Chingono, you do not honor the Air Force of Zimbabwe. You dishonor it, you dishonor the people. And to be clear, KUTYA is not a comrade. He is a thief, glorified only by the weak. Zimbabwe deserves better than spineless men in uniform enabling corruption.